Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO A16S and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers. So you've got two ways to access both numbers. The first one is to open your phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And here you've got IMEI number, tap on OK to exit. And you can also reach IMEI along with serial number via settings. So obviously at first open the settings, then find and select about device right here. Now go to status and here you will notice serial number along with both IMEI numbers. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.